In this video, we'll see how to find the values of trigonometric ratios for 53 and 37 angles. For that, first we have to consider the Pythagorean triplets, and the first set of Pythagorean triplets is like 3, 4 and 5. When we draw a right angle triangle for this triplet, it will look like this. In this triangle, we know that one angle is already 90 degrees and the sum of other two angles would be 90. For that, if we measure the angles, one of the angles would be 53 and the other would be 37. Now we'll use this triangle to find the values of the trigonometric ratios. We already know the formulas for different trigonometric ratios here. And for 53, the opposite side is 4 and adjacent side is 3. So we'll start with sine 53. Sine 53 opposite by hypotenuse means 4 by 5. Then cos 53 adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 3 by 5. Tan 53 opposite by adjacent 4 by 3. And cosecant would be the reciprocal of sine, that is 5 by 4, and secant is reciprocal of cos 5 by 3, and cot is reciprocal of tan, that is 3 by 4, or you can just use this formulas which involves the hypotenuse and opposite side. Coming to the next angle, that is the 37. Here for 37, opposite side is 3 and adjacent side is of 4 centimeters length. Now again, for all the 6 trigonometric ratios, substituting the values, sine 37 is opposite by hypotenuse, that is 3 by 5. Cos 37 is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 4 upon 5. Tan 37 is opposite by adjacent, 3 upon 4. Cosecant hypotenuse upon opposite. So cosecant 37 is 5 upon 3. Secant 37 is 5 upon 4. Cot 37 is 4 upon 3. Using these fraction values, we can get the decimal values as well. In this video, we have seen how to find the values for angle 37 and 53 for all 6 trigonometric ratios.